And you know what's crazy? 20 shirts down the line. Boom. Yeah, what's good, gang? Back with another video. Nice little slight video. Hopefully this one is nice and short. It won't be too long. My first little thrift haul video. I didn't record when I was in the store, but I'm gonna just show y'all the pieces I got, and boom, boom, bam, bam, bam. You know, Savers had a little 50% off yesterday on t-shirts, so I had to slide drop. And don't stop, hey, don't stop, hey. I said don't stop. So yeah, man, I had to go up in there, cop a couple tees, but I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what your boy picked up. So whoa, and I won't try them on. So I'm gonna just show y'all. If I want to talk about them, maybe talk about them. I might see them in like a little styling video later on, but it's whatever. Anyways, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Y'all doing good? Y'all doing great? Y'all doing bad? If you're doing bad, do great. Alright? So first, we got Polo Ralph Lauren jeans. A V-neck t-shirt with the stripes embroidered into the side. Got the logo, the mini logo, also embroidered into the side. Can y'all peep? See, like I was telling y'all in the last video, if you haven't watched the video, things should pop up. Go watch the last video. See, Polo got even more like vintage tags on them. But yeah, man, just a nice plain red tee, nothing too crazy. Still got the tag on the bottom too. This one is a large, and you know what's crazy? Like 20 shirts down the line. Boom. Found another one. This one's a medium in the gray with the red stripes instead. Still got the same tags on the bottoms, and then Ralph Lauren tags on the sleeves. But like, I almost didn't buy both of them. I was gonna buy one, but then I was just like, I got an idea. I might do a little something with these same shirts. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for another video for that. Indeed. But yeah, 2 Polo shirts. I might resell them, but like I told you, I get way too attached to my pieces, and I don't want to let them go. But we'll see. Next, added to the collection of little NASCAR tees I got. Boom, some slight. Got the horizontal text, but it's slightly tilted, slightly angled. So it's not all the way straight. Gotta have that sense of direction, that sense of movement, because we speed racing out here. Don't forget the back though. Beep. Some slight, some delay, some right. Can you tell what my favorite color is? Like, I didn't try to do this, it just happened subconsciously. I got majority red shirts, but that's how I'm coming. That's how I'm bumming. Next, Carhartt XL. This one I'm definitely selling because it's way too big on me. I obviously could like chop it up and resew it and all that, but simple. Once again, vertical text going sideways though. They even got a little architectural graphic designed screen print on here too. Very subtle, but very, very detail oriented as well. And the Carhartt text, it got, can you see it? You see how it's elevated? It got like texture to it. So it's not just a screen print, it's like a texture screen print, you know what I'm saying? XL, I am selling this. So if you watch this video and you haven't, and you want to cop, just hit me up. Maybe it's already sold, maybe it's not, but you never know until you try. You dig? Show y'all fast, so y'all don't expect it. Whoop. Alright. And of course, I gotta get a pair of pants. This wasn't on sale, but I peeped it, had to cop it. I ain't gonna tell you what kind of pants it is, cause folks be biting sometimes, but there you go. Slight. Y'all gonna see me do a fit with that. It's gonna be different. And last but not least, I already got one, but I had to cop another because I want to deconstruct it as well. But we got another jean jacket. that I'm gonna mess with it. Add a little, take a little away, and see how it looks. But it's a little lighter denim. My other one is darker. But yeah, man, size medium. This is what I told myself. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little something with these. We're gonna see. But this is what I told myself, right? So they sent me the email. This is how they got me. Savers, y'all smart. Marketing. They sent me an email. All club members, 50% off, blah, 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 blah. So I was like, alright, smooth. I just made a video about how people could sell some thrift, whatever. So I'm gonna go there, buy some t-shirts, probably sell them. The first thing I saw was this like Nautica. I didn't buy it because it was taxing. But I do got a little video right here. Man, this would be so smooth. But savers, y'all really taxing? Get out of here. But yeah, they was taxing, and I was like, dang, I came here for t-shirts and I'm really about to buy this jacket that they taxing on. Luckily, with my self-control, I didn't buy it, but the stuff that I did buy, I don't even want to sell because it's just like, I love you, like, stay with me forever, you know what I'm saying? But there I go, man, just a little quick thrift haul. Next time I'm gonna actually like record it in the store and like do some commentary and like what to look for and what to do in the store. Just what I do while I'm thrifting or shopping in general. If y'all like this video, go ahead and give me a nice little thumbs up. Y'all keep subscribing. We passed the 200 mark a couple of days ago, so once again, appreciate y'all. Thank y'all very much. Y'all stay tuned and keep watching. I might try to style some of these in a different video. I might not. Y'all just stay tuned because y'all never know what your boy Versace gonna be on next. So y'all stay smooth, y'all stay positive, and your boy Sachi. There you go. Gonna catch y'all later, man. Peace. Peace.